What's up, guys? We're going to go ahead and take a look at one of the most powerful money management strategies I have ever seen in trading. Very powerful, guys. I like to call this flatlining your drawdown, because let's face it, every single trader out there will encounter a losing streak, a couple of trades that go into into losses. It's just a part of the game. It happens, guys. But when it happens, with this strategy, you flatline it, and let me explain. First, let's take a look at the average trader. Right, they stick to only one type of percent per trade. For example, on the left hand side here, let's say the average trader risks 1% per trade. Okay, this is like the basic knowledge out there. They're risking just 1% per trade. Okay, now let's say in this example here, we have gotten 3 winning trades in a row. 1 right here, 2, and 3. That's what this red equity curve suggests. We got 1, 2, 3 positive trades. Now let's say theoretically we get into a losing streak and we lose 4 trades in a row, right? 1% each. So what's going to happen is we're going to go 1% loss, another 1% loss, and this is the equity curve you're going to be seeing, a third one, and then a fourth one. By the end of your losing streak, you are already below your starting point. This green line here is your starting point, right? If you get 4 losses in a row here in this example, right, we have already won 3 in a row, and then we lose 4 in a row. We're going to be 1% below our starting point, right? This is what happens when you get in a losing trade if you risk the same percentage every time. Now let's take a look at the strategy that I'm suggesting here on the right hand side. In this strategy, when we lose 1 trade, let's say, so we're gonna risk 1% and lose 1 trade. Boom. Same thing as the previous example. We have won 3 trades in a row right here on this equity line. Then we lose 1 trade, 1%. Boom. What we're gonna do, very important, guys, after the first loss, we're gonna cut our risk in half, guys, right here. We're only gonna risk 0.5%. And what's gonna happen, guys, is the next trade, it's gonna look something like this. Something like this right here. Boom. Right there. That right there is 0.5% lost. Now, if you lose the second trade, right, you're gonna then cut your risk half of a half. This is actually lower than half of a half. I'm going from 0.5% to 0.2. This is personally what I do. You can go 0.25 if you want, but we're gonna go 0.2 in this example. That's what I like to do. Now the next loss is gonna look something like this. Minimal, guys. You barely even gonna see it on your equity curve. And then we're gonna have 1 more losing trade. The fourth losing, basically, when you get to the point, when you cut your risk half of a 0.5%, keep it there for the rest of the losing streak. And then the next one's gonna look like this. Check it out, guys. This is flatlining your drawdown. Beautiful right here. Check it out. In the left hand side here, if you risk the same percentage per trade, look at that equity curve. It just drops like crazy, guys. If you guys use the flatline drawdown strategy, this is beautiful, guys. We risked 1% and lost that trade. Then we cut it in half and lost half of a 0.5%. Look at that equity curve. It starts to go flat. Then we risk half of a half, and look at that equity curve. It almost looks flat right here, guys. And then again, half of a half. Look at that. That is a lot. We're still in profit after a 4 in a row loss streak here. We had a losing streak of 4 trades in a row. And using this strategy right here, flatlining your drawdown strategy, works a heck of a lot better, guys. And that's it. That's how simple it is. If this really helped you guys out, let me know. Go ahead and comment on the comment section of the video. Like the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this has helped you guys a lot. And like I said, this is very powerful. This is what I personally use to flatline my drawdown, because we all go through drawdowns, guys. It's going to happen, but this is powerful. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon in the next video.